it's the end of an era at Warren Assembly as the last Ram Classic has finally rolled off the line. What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage. I don't know if I published these photos with you yet. I know I got these in. Multiple people that work at Warren were sending me pictures of this Ram 1500 as it went down the line. I'm going to start putting that stuff on the screen here. And we finally got the notification that the last one did roll off the line effective yesterday. And that's it. No more Ram 1500 Classic. That was the last one in production. Now, we already know that these layoffs are going to take place here in the next couple of days. And they are indefinite layoffs for people that do work at Warren. We knew about that already, almost 2,500 people. But there's more that are more than what was expected is now also coming to light, with more people being laid off from Warren Stamping that are full-time represented employees of the UAW. We'll see how that goes as this week goes, as we've also heard, and every time we get this information, it ends up being right. We saw more people getting laid off from Sterling Heights. It was like 40-something, and now we had the information we dropped earlier about another 39 or 40 all again getting laid off. So that puts the number up over 80. I know it's like, oh, it's only 80 people, it's only this, but tell that to the 80 families that thought they had a secure job and now they have to figure out what they're going to do for their families in the holiday seasons coming up. Sucks. It absolutely sucks. Anyways, just an interesting, quick video. I thought it was interesting to see. A lot of the employees were, sad to see it go because a lot of them, it's not even affecting their jobs. They're just sad to see like they said, people were literally crying putting this thing together down the line. And it makes sense. I get it. It just sucks that the company can't figure something out, where these people don't have to have their jobs destroyed. They could have either built another variant, a mid-sized truck, something, other stuff that the UAW has pushed forward as issues of violation of the contract. But that's it. Quick bonus video for you guys. The last Ram 1500 Classic has rolled off the line. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comment section down below. Give the video a big thumbs up if you like what I do. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And as always, stay petty, my friends.